Hello and welcome to Le Homemade. So today we'll see how to make fish cutlets or fish kebabs. These fish cutlets are mostly made out of mackerels when they are found plenty in season. This simple dish can be served as an appetizer or a side dish, or you may also enjoy this as a snack. Do stick around as I show you this amazing yet simple recipe. Now here I have taken 1.5 cup of kingfish, which is also called surmai fish. Like I said earlier, you can also make this of mackerels or even of tuna fish. You need to just boil the fish with salt and water for not more than 5 to 7 minutes. Just make sure to debone the boiled fish nicely. Into this we'll add all our spices, which is 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, and half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. To this I'll be adding half a cup of chopped onions, some chopped coriander. To this we'll add half a cup of boiled and grated potatoes. I would like to give you a tip here for boiling the potatoes. While you're boiling the potatoes, especially for the cutlets, do not boil them in a pressure cooker because they will tend to absorb a lot of water, and we want this mixture to be as dry as possible. In the meantime, I have added half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1.5 tablespoon of ginger, garlic and green chili paste, 1 egg, salt as per taste. We'll mix all these things and add 1 lemon juice. You could also use 1 or 2 teaspoons of vinegar instead of a lemon. Now we'll add 1/4 to half a cup of breadcrumbs until the mixture becomes dry and manageable to shape the cutlets. Keep mixing till the breadcrumbs have absorbed all the moisture. Once our mixture looks like this, we will shape our cutlets in this manner. Another method to make this recipe would be, you can omit the boiled potatoes, but then since the binding is less, you will have to make the cutlets like this and then dip them into a beaten egg and apply a coating of rava or semolina and then fry them. Since I have added boiled potatoes in my mixture, I don't have to coat them with egg or semolina. Here I am frying them straight away. As you can see here, the binding of my cutlets is perfect. All our cutlets are ready to be fried. I'll be shallow frying these, but not with too much of oil, as the things inside them are already cooked. My second tip to you while frying the cutlets would be, make sure that the frying pan and the oil is piping hot. Only then add your kebabs or fish cutlet, or else they'll absorb a lot of oil into them. Also make sure to fry them on a medium-high flame. Once they're cooked on one side, we'll turn them and cook them on the other side as well. Now once they have turned golden brown like this, we'll remove them in a plate. Now one more tip which I would like to give is that always when you remove fried items, place a tissue paper on the plate like this so that it will absorb all the excess oil from them. Our delicious, crispy yet very simple and easy fish kebabs or fish cutlets are ready to eat. So, guys, do try this fish cutlet recipe and let me know how it turned out. Let's meet again with yet another interesting recipe. Until then, take care. Bye bye.